Have you ever built a shelter in the forest when you were a kid? I have done that, and today we will build one as an adult. And we will also cook coal buns on a hot flat stone. And of course, drink a couple of beers too. Maybe you will recognize this place. Here we were camping in the video Camping in Bear Territory. But this time I think we will camp on top of this rock. But first we need to check all the crevices around this place. Because this is a bear territory. And they may still be hibernating. Don't want to wake a hungry bear. Just kidding, no bears around. What do you think about this place? Will it work as a shelter? I think it will do. And it's pretty protected all around here with rocks. But first we need to find a lot of sticks to build the roof of it. Hope that is enough. And I managed to hit myself on the nose. I don't bleed, but maybe it will swell up. So that will do for now. I have put a little bit of moss on the top, all the moss that I have walked here and destroyed it, so then I can put it up here, I think. think it is pretty cozy. It's a little bit small for my chair, but it shouldn't rain anything, so I can sit here on the outside. And we need a flat stone also, so I can make a small fire here under the stone, and then when it's hot we can cook some food on it. I will go out and gather some stones, so I'll see you later. Look what I found! Some type of air duct. Maybe we can use that as a chimney. And I have found some stones here also. Here is a really flat one too. But I need some more stones. So see you in a while again. Oh, hello! You want to join me here and gather some stones? What do you think? Will this oven work, or stove? I hope it will draw the smoke out here. We'll try it soon. And we can light it with... I have some of this artificial fire logs with me, so maybe light it with that now, but then I want some real firewood also. I think some of it is... Look, it's working! Oh, there you are. Now it's time for that beer. Doug's Stellar Lager. Cheers! This I like. Let's rate it. I have already rated it at 3.75. It was good. Now I will relax a while, and when I get back to you we can go out and gather some firewood. Oh, hello. Now it's time to get out and gather some firewood. I can't stand the smell of these artificial fire logs anymore. But flat stone is getting a little bit hot. It's not pretty hot now. So now we have a bit of firewood, not super much, but I think it will be enough. It's a really roaring fire, and I have 2 more here. Here I have bacon, lingonberry jam, kolbun. It's just flour, salt and water. Soon the stone here must be hot enough for some cooking. Let's try the next beer. Meantime in London. Cheers. That's good too. I really like this, so I will give it a 4. But now the stone must be hot enough. So let's first fry some bacon. Wait a minute, I have some oil too. Some jam. I'm hungry. Whoop. Was a little bit much, too much.